When we are on the verge of realization, it is like we become the dawn and we face the morning sun. We prepare ourselves on the strength of our prayers, meditations, and dedication and self giving. So, when you are on the verge of realization, we see the dawn is breaking and the light is spreading allwhere, and the sun is rising, the morning sun. It is step by step, and or you can say it, everything goes together. When you face the sun, we do not say this is the sun. When the light comes, when darkness, the darkness of the night disappears, we feel that we see the light around us. Exactly the same way, when the inner sun bursts forth or the inner sun is rising, we can easily see, not only feel, we can easily see the inner sun rising. Each individual has an inner sun, and greatly advanced souls have more than one. They have 15, 16, 20 like that. But each individual is bound to have an inner sun as the way we see the outer sun, the planet. When the inner sun is blossoming, say like a lotus, petal by petal, we can see it, and we see that our illumination is fast dawning. We can listen to the inner music and grow into the inner music by virtue of our prayer and meditation. When you pray, if you feel there is no difference between our prayers and our soulful music, they are inseparably one. Then while you are praying, you can listen to your own inner music. You are not playing anything. Again, when you are in your inner world, say you are playing the inner music or listening to the inner music, you will feel that your meditation is deep, extremely deep. They go together. When music, let us say, is a universal language. You don't have to know any particular language to appreciate the melody or the beauty of the music. It is universal. Like God, it is universal. Again, prayer is the way to show us, prayer is the way to lead us to that inner music, vice versa. If you can listen to the inner music or grow into the inner music, then you are doing the best possible prayer and best possible meditation.